Show Grandma your boat.
Show the boat. Show the boat.
Did you get it, Barb?
No.
One more time.
I wanted, but I got it.
Kaylee, look at Grandma. Kaylee, can you show Dad how you laugh?
Look at.
Where's Grandma? Ha 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 ha.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Did you get her?
I would say she's a keeper.
Whoops.
So, Matt, do you want to tell us where we are here? Or I'll put Grandma in film. Okay.
Oh, ask Dad.
Grandpa, can you tell us where we are right now? Tell the camera.
We're on Red River.
We're on the junction of the Red River and
This is
an
beginning
example of how
Alzheimer's.
Grandpa doesn't know where we are.
the Red River and what's
the other cross
The Wolf
section?
River.
The
The
Wolf
Wolf
River
River.
and the Red River.
The
And
Wolf and the Red.
Today is Grandpa's birthday. He just turned 80.
Looks pretty good for 80.
Looks pretty good. He's still got a super soaker, so you know he's got his youth.
This one don't work right.
Okay. Grandma, want to say hi?
No, I don't.
Okay. Grandma looks beautiful.
My grandma's been sitting here with the wind blowing through her hair.
That's all right. Matt, what do you want to say?
I just want you to picture Kaylee
Peanut here with her
Yeah.
clothes soaked.
with her clothes soaked. And she's playing with her boat.
It looks just like Grandpa's.
Yeah.
Is that diaper filling up, Kaylee?
Kaylee, how heavy is your diaper? Is it awesome?
Kaylee does not have a swim diaper on, so basically that means her diaper is probably about 6 or 7 pounds at the moment. But she's still moving around, so
And the water's really nice.
the water's nice.
I would say the water's actually probably warmer than it was at the
At the water park,
Tundra Lodge.
she's got a toy boat she's playing with. And she's having a good time.
Is that fun? Here. Look at.
Oh no, Mommy.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, Dad, you should know better.
I know.
Dad, I'm going to hand you the camera so you can tape the boat. Just keep an eye on her. We're going to get a shot of the vintage boat.